sounds. Oh my god, dude. Yo, literally coming from my phone. Oh my god.
Get me out of here! Hold them up! Get out of here! I got this! Go! Go! Go!
Oh god. I got some of it.
Get to the warehouse! What are we waiting for?
This might be your last day on Earth!
Oh god. So for those of you that didn't know what that was, it was The Walking Dead. It was like a walkthrough. If it didn't scare you guys, it was alright. Like the first time, it was hella scary, but the second time we went through,
You cried the first time.
I did not
You
cry.
hold me.
I didn't cry.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I made her hold me, but that was it.
You put it in front of you.
Okay, no, but the first time it was pretty, it was scary, but the second time it was alright. But if you guys think it wasn't scary, if you guys were there in first person, like, it'd probably be scary for you guys. But yeah, it was,
Say in first person.
yeah, first person.
If you were there in person.
Yeah, okay, in person. I'm gonna edit it out.
No, don't edit that out.
But that was the Walking Dead walkthrough. It was like a little maze kind of thing.
I know.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a short video and it wasn't like based on one thing, but it was just like a walkthrough. If you guys like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, positive feedback. I did it all quick, wow. But yeah, if this video gets at least 25 likes, I'll do a prank post on my Snapchat. What's the big thing gonna come down, and it's gonna like take a whole week to do it, because like I need to build up all this like acting. You guys are gonna know what I'm talking about once I post it on my Snapchat story, because it involves someone, but that someone watches my video. I know I haven't posted in a while, and oh, that was killing me. Like, it's just, I don't know, but I'm gonna start grinding on these videos from now on, because I really need to focus. Like this little walkthrough. I know I'm gonna post another video later, so yeah, stay tuned for that. See you guys.